Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. This is your morning market stir for Friday, April 26th. Well, stocks got above the midpoint on Wednesday of this recent move, and they accelerated to some new relative highs yesterday, still off of the all-time highest by just a few points. The E-mini S&P closed at 1582, up 8 points on the day. 1588 was a high, and the all-time high is 1593 from a week or so ago. The Dow futures were up positive 38. They did give back some at the end of the session, 14,653, and the Nasdaq was up 20 at 2844. The currencies have been quiet here. The euro currency holding above 130, 130.21, down 6. The dollar index did sell off yesterday. It did make some new weekly lows at 82.48, but bounced back and closed at 82.84, down only 18 on the day. Bond market's been steady as well, down 8 points at 147.30, really stuck in this range here in the bonds. Crude oil was a big mover yesterday, up another $2.21 at 93.64. It'll be important to see how it holds that midpoint of this last rally here, and 92 is going to be a support point down below. Now, gold also followed through. We had some positive action in gold, up $38, 1462, 1468 was the high, and we talked about this the past few days here, of that last sell-off from 1570 down to 1320 in the last couple of weeks. The midpoint there was about 1445, 1450, so we'll look to see if that holds as some support when the sellers do come in. So after a very positive day in stocks once again, where do the markets stand on this Friday morning to end a very positive week? Well, the E-mini S&P right now is at 1578, down 375. We've had 5 consecutive positive sessions, so we'll look to see where we go today. The Dow's down 29 at 14,624, and the Nasdaq's off 4 at 2836 in a little bit of profit taking that we're seeing in the stocks here this morning. The euro currency is down 11 at 130.10. The euro's been trading between 130 and 132 since April 8th, so we're going on 3 weeks within this 2-point range in the euro currency. The dollar index remains below 83. It's down 8 at 82.68. Bonds are up a few ticks here at 148.08, up 11 as we stand. Bonds have been trading between 147 and 149 for the last couple weeks. So currencies and bonds aren't giving us any clues as to future direction. We'll have to watch those for breakouts. Crude oil's off a little bit right now. We're at $93 a barrel, off 65 cents. But again, put it in perspective. Crude oil was had lows last week at $86, so we've seen a big rush up in the past few sessions. And gold's holding its own after the big gains yesterday above that pivot point. Keep an eye on 1445, 1450 down below. Right now we're at 1463, up $1 as we stand. So to wrap up the market action right now, we're seeing a little bit of profit taking in the stock index futures as we stand right now. 1578 in the E-mini S&P, down 375, and down 29 in the Dow futures at 14,624. I will see you early Monday morning for the Stir in the Markets to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.